1. Airflow and endurance. TR's innovative design concept focuses on airflow and endurance. In the extreme heat of work sites at 35 degrees, what's needed to support a full day of work isn't just airflow. It's about endurance. From this perspective, TR places the highest importance on 15 volts. TR's 15 volts power a 7.5 watt high-power propeller spinning at 5,750 revolutions. The airflow, as measured by our company, is 108 liters per second. This generates a high cooling effect. The endurance time is about 8 hours. One battery supports a full day of work. Airflow and coolness during the workday. Continue without weakening until the end. This is another strength of TR. On site, the wind weakens midway. This affects fatigue and work efficiency. 2. Using the wind. Even with the same airflow, the way you use the wind can greatly change the coolness. TR fans use a patented rib structure to blow air at a steep angle. The exhaust position is neither too low nor too sideward, offering an exquisite side-back design. These two features allow the wind to circulate well within the clothing, reach every corner, and cool the entire body. What's more, TR's airflow cools you down twice. The wind that cools inside the clothing doesn't escape right away. Due to its unique shape, it flows again towards the neck, head, and face. It cools both inside and outside your clothing for double the effect. That's why the sensation of coolness is different. 3. Convenience. Fans used at the workplace for a day inevitably get dirty. The TR fan can be easily taken apart into 3 pieces: the outer case, the propeller, and the inner unit. The external and internal parts can be washed, and the propeller can be wiped clean. Not only can it be kept clean, it also helps prevent performance degradation. 4. Safety. Currently, accidents involving lithium-ion batteries are on the rise. TR batteries comply with PSE standards. Instead of liquid, gel-like polymer electrolytes are used. It's designed with the safety of daily use sites in mind. 5. Cost-effectiveness. In business procurement, cost-effectiveness cannot be overlooked. The main cost of cooling garments is the expensive battery. TR is a high-performance model designed with a controlled price. In business use, as the number of people increases, the required quantity per person per day shows a significant difference. TR's main voltage of 15 volts is designed to be cost-effective at 1 unit per person per day. We have pursued reductions in both price and operational costs. 6. Finally, 30 volts, 40 volts, 50 volts, the accelerating high-voltage competition. Indeed, high voltage is powerful for short periods. But can that alone handle the sweltering heat of the work site all day? The numbers of high voltage aren't the only answer. We pursue airflow and endurance, as well as practicality that can truly be used on site. That's TR's answer.